how to arrive in style. The Rolls-Royce Ghost, courtesy of XL Leasing, the partners to Reep Midlands. This car is fantastic, and not only that, I've been greeted by this, the Bentley Bentayga, of which I recently had one of these for a few days and had a play. This is spectacular. That is on another level. So we're going to have a look around these because this is what we call country club motoring for the road. So I recently drove one of these and described it very much as a country club on wheels. No exaggeration, it is breathtaking. We have a look in here and just see, I don't have words. I mean, it's just touches like the quilted leather, like the beautiful analog clock central to the dash. And that logo, these wings, they're synonymous with luxury. This really is the place that you would want to spend time driving. It is the pinnacle of luxury. So we've had a play with the Rolls-Royce Ghost. It's amazing. We're now going to have a play with this. A big thank you to XL Leasing, partners to Reep Midlands. You've got some amazing cars. I want to play with the Bentayga.